um, I had a show that wait. May naalala akong basta ano. I have performed Satisfied for I don't know how many corporate events because they've seen me perform Satisfied sa O-Bar for how many years. So, yeah, what else? Once ko lang siya pinerform sa O-Bar, Benny and the Jets. Benny and the Jets, pinerform ko siya once lang on a Sunday. And then, hindi ko na siya pinerform ulit. Pero alam mo, I had a private event booking that had me perform Benny and the Jets. Kasi yung kliyente pala, isa pala siya sa mga audience doon. Nung gabi na yon. Tapos sabi niya, binook ako na, Huy, pwede mo bang i-perform yung isa sa number mo, Benny and the Jets? Nandun ka nung gabi na yun. Alam ko na nandun siya nung gabi na yun. Yun yung agad yung tinanong ko kasi isang beses ko lang naman siya pinag-reflect. Nandun ka nung gabi na yun. Oo, grabe, sobrang galing mo dun. Tapos hindi ko kasi na-expect na maririnig ko sa O-Bar yung Benny and the Jets. Mga ganon. So, pagdating sa mga private events, private gigs, most of the time, it's the clients or the events requests that you will perform. Pero there are also some clients who really just wanted you to see, who really just wanted to see you perform na kahit ano po, siya naman po yan eh. Alam mo yon, ganon. Pero sometimes, susunod tayo sa tema. Like for example, yung huli kong private event, yung nakared akong corset yung tinatahi ko dito sa live 2 weeks ago. Ang pinerform ko doon ay Sparkling Diamond at saka Show Me How Burlesque. Show Me How to Burlesque. Yon. Alam ko naman yon, pinaperform namin sa O-Bar yon, pero hindi ako yung bida doon. Pero dahil lagi namin siya pinaperform sa O-Bar, kabisado ko siya, so hindi ako nahirapan. Pero may mga ganon. Pero kasi, ang tema kasi noon is Moulin Rouge. So, Moulin Rouge burlesque yung tema ng event. So, yun ang ni-request ng client. So, ganun siya. Pag mga private songs. Pag private events. Kasi yung mga gantang tanungan, hindi yung puro na lang tungkol sa drag race tsaka yung mga nangyayari sa likod ng camera. Diba? It's like this kind of conversations. These are the conversations that would make you understand more about a drag artist's life outside the show. Hindi yung confessional, hindi yung yung mga nangyari dun sa season 1. And this kind of conversation is like the answer to, are you a fan of drag or are you a fan of Drag Race? Mailan na kilos mo ngayon? That's something na sa akin na lang, darling. Akin na lang yun. Hindi mo na kailangang malaman yun. Sorry. No, it's okay. Pero, akin na lang yun. Give mo na sa akin yun. Tsaka, bebe, sa totoong buhay lang, your girl RLY. You don't ask people that. Because it makes one insecure. Pero, ayan, gets kita dyan. Pero, like, normally, you don't ask people about their weight. Kamusta na injury mo, ma? Hope you're doing really well. Actually, well, that's a good question. So far, so good. Yeah. Hindi ko na kailangan there are some exercises that I need to do pagkagising ko. Pero hindi na siya totally like, paano ba, na kailangan ko siyang gawin. Kung hindi ko siya gagawin, sasakit ang hips ko buong araw. No, hindi na. So, parang nakasanayan na lang kasi it's been part of my routine for how many months, that kind of exercises and therapy exercises. So, parang naging part na lang talaga siya ng daily routine ko na ginagawa ko na lang because I got used to it, not because I need to do it. Thank you for the follow. Jika sumali ng Versus the World. Right now, my answer is no. But I'm not closing my doors to future shows, like future drag all-star competition, kung ano man yan. Pero right now, the answer is no. It takes a lot to ready yourself. Yeah. Pero ang nagpabago ng perspective ko ay sobrang hindi ko in-expect na makakausap ko ng isang gabi at makaka-heart to heart ko at magpapabago ng pananaw ko sa show. Like, at so, mag-heal actually, isa sa mga take-away ko nung gabi na yun dahil sa taong yun ay ang daming sa kwento lang niya na hindi ako nagsasalita. I had a lot of answered questions that I didn't know I have. Sobrang meeting that person alone, yun pa lang, sobrang like, what? Kaharap kita? Like, kausap kita nang hindi ka naka-drag? Like, and then, getting to know you, and then, like, having a heart-to-heart talk with you, like, bang level, be? OMG sino? Hindi siya Filipino, yun na lang. Hindi siya Filipino. Tapos yung itsura pa niya. Yung itsura niya nung gabi na nagkasama kami. Alam mo, parang ang may natagpo ang AFAM sa Makati na... yung parang may AFAM kang inuwi sa Makati na... Okay na to. Ang itsura niya parang... nakakatawa yung itsura niya. Pero grabe, like, sobrang profound ng tao. Like, I never thought. Hi, maganda mo pa rin. Alam ko. Given. Given. Favorite lip sync song mo? Marami. Pero ang default ko talaga ay Satisfied. Default ko, like, kung papipilian mo ako sa dami ng favorite lip sync songs ko, kung papipiliin mo lang ako ng isang pyesa, it will be Satisfied from Hamilton. Yeah. Because that song did so much to me. In terms of career, in terms of places, in terms of basta madami. Pwede from the top. Ano yun? Ano from the top? Make it drop? That's a wet? Ayun, mga ganyan tugtugan natin. Muulan. Good evening po. Table for how many? Right this way. O di kaya pwedeng ano? Ano bang pwede? Sa mga gantong tubo. Hi! So, here's your card. You have extra key card here, and then you are on the 14th floor. We do have our breakfast to lunch from the front desk. Ano ba? Ano ba pwede? Diba naisip ko, Nohana, pili lang. Ay, tugtugan mo sa Divisoria. Nohana, pili lang. Tapos di ka pa tinitignan, no? Nakatingin lang na. Nohana, pili lang, ma'am sir. Ano yan, ma? Ala, parang hindi napunta ng Divisoria o ng Tiangge. Hindi naka-cellphone lang, agal lang. Pili lang, ma'am sir. Cellphone, casing. Ana, pili lang. Si Tin, linyahan ko yan nung garage sale, di ba? Malaro talaga utak ko. Gusto ko talagang manahi. Pero hindi, ayoko. 12:00 na eh. Ginising lang ako. Yeah, sketch ko na lang kung anong magandang. Hindi ako mapakali na din. Ano pa? Magandang usapan natin. Magandang topic. Sige pa, tanong pa kayo. Ganyan mga tanungan. Anong kulay ang favorite mo for costumes? Yan ay isang bagay na kailangan mong alisin sa isip mo if you're gonna be a drag artist, na wala ka dapat favorite color. Ako, I do have a favorite color. I love gray, but have you seen me wear gray sa mga costumes ko? Kasi nasanay ako sa bar. Bar girl kasi ako eh. So, kahit may favorite color ka, hindi pwede kasi yun, be. Kasi marami kayong costume. What's your favorite fabric? Good question. When I used to work at the bar, my favorite was neoprene at saka neocrepe. Kasi pang matatagan talaga yung tela na yon, may banat, kaya mong ipangsayaw, and maganda rin siyang, it also has a good like structure and flow. Kaya pwede mo rin pang dress, pang gown. So, yeah. I have to say like, ano ba? Bas, anything na may banat. Nasanay ako na may banat eh. Gusto ko yung may banat, yung may stretch yung tela. Oo. Recently ko lang ngayon talaga tinatry. Like ito, this one. Yeah, that one. Walang banat yan, B. Ang hirap suotin yan ba? Walang banat yan. Pero, yeah. Anong aesthetic mo when it comes to costumes? Actually, aesthetic-wise, for me, I can do any. Pero, so okay. Para mas lumawak ang perspective nyo, ganito ha. Gets ko yan, yung mga gusto nyo, yung mga may branding, ganyan. Pero one thing you should know, okay? A branding is more of like a personality, more of like who you are as an artist, who you are as a person, and how you are as a drag artist. So that's the branding. So you could be like a very fierce performer, or you could be like a very charming person when it comes like Precious. Very charming siya, very puso, you know, very personable. Like I for one, ang branding ko is like body positivity. And meron din naman na ang branding nila is fierce. Alam mo yon? So branding is more of how you more of who you are as an artist and how you do your art. Okay? Aesthetic is more of the different types of the things that you can do. You can be classy, you can be tawag dito, you can be camp, you can be very alternative. So ganun siya. Starts ako kay Maxi. So yon. When it comes to aesthetic for me, kahit ano, masarap maglaro ng iba't ibang uri ng aesthetic, iba't ibang uri ng itsura. Pero ang requirement ko most of the time, kapag ako ay gumagawa ng, ngayon gumagawa na ako ng sarili kong costume, pero dati, ang requirement ko lang sa mga designers at sa mananahi ko ay, it has to show some skin. Yun lang yung requirement ko. Like, kailangan may kailangan may banat siya so I can perform properly. Kailangan nakakagalaw ako so I can dance. And kailangan may balat. Like, it has to show some skin. Yun yung requirements ko when it comes to my when it comes to my clothing, when it comes to my costumes. And if as much as possible, I always love showing my tattoo. Kasi part na siya ng ano ko eh. Part na siya ng katawan ko, like part na siya ng identity ko. Alam mo yon na hindi mo na nga alam na may tattoo ako kung hindi mo talaga siya pagtutuunan ng pansin. Kasi gano'n na siya ka-natural sa akin na parang, it's just really part of me. If that makes sense. So, I love showing my tattoo. If you would to see, kung babalikan niyo yung mga looks ko, most of my looks, kung hindi ako covered, pag hindi ako covered, as much as possible, kailangan kita yung tattoo ko. Those are my requirements. So, it's when it comes to the branding, it's more of like who you are, how you are as an artist. So, aesthetic is mas maganda na wala kang nililimit sa sarili mo when it comes to aesthetic. Para lang yung architecture, minsan ang sarap pumasok sa isang brutalist na building, pero at the same time, it's also amazing to sit in a rustic coffee shop. Gets mo? O di kaya tapos, paano ba? Sige. Para lang siyang architecture or interior design. Minsan ang sarap pumasok sa isang brutalist na building. Ang sarap lang pagmasda ng isang brutalist na building. Tapos papasok ka sa coffee shop, ma-appreciate mo ang mid-century modern at saka rustic na interior. Gets mo yon? It's amazing if you appreciate different types of aesthetics. Different styles. Pero, meron ka pa ring go-to na gusto mo o tinatawag nating requirements. Like, I for one, as much as possible, it has to show some skin. Gets? Napalawak ko bang perspective mo? Naintindihan mo ba? Nagpapading pa rin po ba kayo? Hindi na, Nikki. Pero meron akong padding, 3. 3. Yung isa drug stop pa, puta. Nabudol ako ng drug stop. Kasi lagi ko na siya nakita sa Instagram. Di ko alam na sobrang mahal pala niya. Napagano na lang talaga ako sa credit card na. Yung kaibigan ko kasi inuto ako. Like, alam mo yun? Naloka ako doon nung pag-check ko nung presyo. Kasi yung kaibigan ko, syempre, sa Amerika na siya, doon siya lumaki, sabi niya, sis, you have this, di ba, you have to get this, di ba, favorite mo talaga yung drag stop, you're telling me that we should get that, o ito na drag stop, pasarap pa na. Tapos, ang nag-aayos, yung may-ari ng drag stop, kasi bago pa magbukas yung drag con doon so nag-aayos na ng booth. So, syempre, chance namin yung mga drag queens para masipat mo na, makausap mo na yung mga booth na, hi, I really love this. Is it okay if you could like reserve this for me? I would really purchase this at the end of probably during lunch. Is it okay if you could reserve this for me now? Mga ganon. Para hindi ka na maunahan. So, yun yung advantage namin. So, habang nag-aayos ng booth yung drag stop, yung kaibigan ko, hinatak na ako. Sabi niya, halika na, dali mo tayo, unahan na natin, baka maubusan tayo ng stock. Kasi day 2 na nun day 1, naubusan kami ng stock. So, nung pagdating namin doon, sabi niya, oh, sis, ito na. So, sabi ko naman, sige na nga, ganyan. Si Eva nandun din. Sis, hindi ka, nato ko si Eva. Sabi, sa kayo sis. Sabi ko, sa drugstore, bibili kami ng padding. Ay, sige. Hatak ko si Eva. Datlo kami. 15,000. Kasi no, 16,000. Okay lang. Aero to from K-App. Oh, hello! I remember you! Hi! Girl. 16K. Ang tanong ng bayan, nagamit ko ba? Nagamit na ROI ko ba yung 16K? Hindi. Kasi, pagdating ko sa Pilipinas, doon ko na-realize na, hala, para akong mascot, sobrang laki. So, pinabawas ko siya kay Holem. Pinabawas ko siya, pabawas naman ng, si Holem, siya yung nagbebenta ng mga hip pads dito sa Philippines. So, I think nasa 1,000 plus lang yung hip pads niya. Pero, good quality rin naman, pero iba talaga yung drag stop. So, sabi ko, pabawas na naman ito. Sabi niya, sige mabawas ko yan. So, binili ka sa akin, ano na siya, ninipesan niya na ng 1 inch, 1.5. Ang laki pa rin, para talaga ako, sabi ko, hindi talaga sa akin bagay. Hindi talaga bagay. So, sabi ko, pabili na lang ako ng bago sa yung stock. So, 3 na yung kasi meron ako sa kanya, bumili ako ng drug stop, bumili pa ako ng bago sa kanya. So, yun. Ang laki, parang Jollibee. Para talagang mascot, parang Jollibee. Parang pagsuot mo siya, parang tutugtog na lang ng dito tayo, kung saan bida ang... Mapagano na lang talaga, B. Cinch na lang, ma. Not even, Nikki. Not even, darling. Not even. Silicone hip pads ba yan? No, foam. Drag stop. Check nyo sa IG. Drag stop. You mean, Nikki, cinch, like corset na lang. Yes. Nagko-corset na lang ako. That's one thing that pagkalabas ko ng Drag Race, yun talagang nagpagawa ko kay Job Dako nung sandamakmak na corset. na costume at saka corset na undergarments. Kaya ang dami kong corset. And now, I'm making corset. So, yun. Tapos yung corset na yun, nag-corset training ako. Grabe yung pagtsatsaga ko sa corset training. Diyos ko, ang sakit. Feeling ko, kailangan, alam mo yung na-adjust talaga yung laman loob ko. Ganun level, be. Aero! Andito ka pa? Kamusta ka na? Aero, magbagsak ka naman dyan ng gift. Oh my God, ikaw na ba? Tsari. Ikaw na ba ang tutupad? Ma-recreate mo naman yung Feeling Sexy Tonight look. No. 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 A designer once, pagkalabas ko ng Drag Race, a designer messaged me, a very famous designer messaged me, who wanted to recreate that look. I said no. Not because I hate it. I actually loved it. Girl, tinahi ko yun. Pero it's more of like, I don't know, I just don't see myself wearing that again. Or I just don't see myself wearing that color again. Kasi at that time, I really just don't have wala kaming option. Kung ano yung fabric, kung ano yung tela sa wall, yun lang yung ano. Tapos di ba yung mga nakita yung tela sa dingding, di ba, ang daming tela. Lahat yun cheap fabric. Tapos hindi lahat yun pwede mong galawin. May tela ka lang na pwedeng galawin. So yun lang yun napuntang tela sa akin. Yun lang yung pwedeng galawin. Fabric wall. Hindi pwedeng galawin yun. May tela lang doon na hindi. Yung tela nga na nasabi doon, hindi nga ako doon kumuha ng tela eh. Ginamit ko sa ano eh. 3 color lang ang pwede ba? Hindi nga eh. 2 tela nga lang yung binigay sa akin, blue at yellow eh. Kasi yun lang daw ang pwedeng galawin kasi display daw yun. Kasi pag nakita daw ng camera na walang tela dun sa fabric wall, pangit. Pasabog. Pwede pa rin. Sabog, may sinisip pa yung image nung kuha ng shot kaysa sa gagamitin. Kaya pala, oo be. Kala nyo pwedeng galawin yun? Hindi pwedeng galawin yun, B. Pinagalitan nga kami nung kinuha namin yung mga nakatiklop doon na tele, naka-display. Bawal daw yun kasi display lang daw yun. Ay, fabric wall nga. Bring your own na lang pala. Bawal nga rin magdala ng sarili mong tela, B. Kaya nga yung Corazon eh. Diba? Kaya ang Corazon nahirapan, nag-silver dress na lang eh. Kasi hindi rin pinayag. Kaya nga yung DJ Aero, wala rin nakuha ng tela eh. Kasi pas ako na lang yung nagtsaga dun sa dilaw at ano na napaka-cheap na. Oh my God. The fabric is meant for a shirt. That's a bamboo cotton shirt. A very cheap bamboo cotton fabric. Grabe unfair. Well, it's not unfair. If I'm going to be honest, eto na lang ha. Right now, kumbaga sa perspective nyo, ala, ganun pala yun. Like, alam, bakit ganun unfair? Pero, bibigyan ko kayo ng dadagdagan ko yung perspective nyo ha. That was season 1. Lahat kami, including the production, we are all, lahat kami nangangapa kung paano i-maneuver, kung paano ina-navigate yung show. So the production, they are trying their best to make everything okay. So doon ko na lang ilalagay yung perspective na idadagdag ko na lang yung perspective na yon para kung sakaling mabalikan nyo yung topic na to or mapag-usapan nyo, mayroon na kayong madadagdag na. Pero kailangan mo rin kasi intindihin na season 1 yun. Lahat sila hindi alam ang gagawin. Lahat sila nangangapa. So they're just trying their best. So yun yung dagdag ko lang na perspective. Na the production do not also know exactly what they have to do, or do not exactly, or the art department do not exactly know that the fabric wall is not just for decoration, but it's also meant to be used, if that makes sense. And that they should put more amazing fabric there and not just cheap, colorful fabric. So yun na lang yung idadagdag kong perspective para at least meron kayong additional insights, additional perspective na hindi lang na hala, ang unfair, no. It may seem unfair, pero in the production's perspective, maybe at that time they don't also know that the fabric wall was meant to be used. And yeah, ganon. O, diba? Para hindi tayo puro negative. Pero yeah, going back, I do not see myself wearing that kind of look. Yeah. Probably, feeling ko kapag pumunta na ako sa aesthetic clinic at na-tighten na yung skin ko. Kasi yun yung ano ko ngayon nasa firming na kasi ako, firming and toning na ako, kaya ako nag-workout. Kasi dahil nga pumayat ako and I came from, plus size, bumagsak yung balat ko, definitely. So, I'm firming and toning my body now, and feeling ko, I can probably wear that kind of look sa I'm Feeling Sexy Tonight kapag na-firm ko na, or na-firm o na-tone ko yun na yung katawan ko. Corset version charot. Bibi. Hipak po ulit. Alam nyo, simula talaga nung na-discover ko na pwede ka na talaga dito mag-oxygen sa harap ng camera, I die. Imagine mo, lagpas isang taon na ako nag-livestream dito, nalaman ko lang na pwede pala, meron ka lang palang settings na aayusin. Last month ko lang nalaman yun, babe. What content creator would you recommend for making corset? Wait, what? Ulit. What content? You mean who? You mean which content Oo. Gumagawa ng corset? Wala Wait, meron akong... Wait. Hold on. Finalo ko siya Nakasubscribe ako sa YouTube niya Finalo ko tong corset niya. Wait lang. Subscriptions. Library. Let's go to library. Nakasave yun sa akin. Hindi ko kayo bibiguin dyan. Hindi ako madamot sa impormasyon. Let me just go for the like videos. Sa dami ng nilike kong videos. Wait lang. Wait lang. Subscriptions na lang. Baka lumabas siya dito. Hold on. Let me look her up. I just saw actually she just uploaded a video. Medyo kailangan mong pagtiyagaan to, be, ha? Kasi kailangan mo intindihin. Pero magaling siya gumawa ng content. Maganda yung mga videos niya. Pero may history, which I love because I love history. Pero you really have to, so hindi lang siya basta-basta nagtuturo sa'yo manahig. Mabibigyan ka rin niya ng history about corsetry, about the era, on like how to wear the corset, ganun, paano suotin ng corset dati, at iba't ibang uri ng corset. Nasaan si Mama? Kaka-upload lang niya ng video eh. Naririnig niyo ba yun? Asan siya? Wait lang, nawawala. Go. Ito. La modeliste. La modeliste. All caps. La modeliste. Yun ang pangalan ng ng YouTube account niya. La modeliste. Nandiyan ka pa ba? Yung nagtanong?
This is Mama Denise and I'm so glad that you're back here.
Ayan.
For today's video, we are going to recreate the
Gets mo? La modeliste. Pero, just like what she said, yung narinig natin, it's la modeliste. Pero the spelling is la modeliste. She has a tutorial that is so good. You will really like it. So good. Magaling siya, Pero yung sinasabi ko kanina na with history, nasa na si ate? Nawala siya. Meron isa na, na she's really, really good. Her contents are really, really nice. Nawala. Nasaan siya? Nakita ko lang kanina yung niya content niya Nagtatahi ka rin po ba ng may lining? Yes, baby, kailangan may lining. Depende sa'yo kung gusto mo ng kung gusto mo ng may lining or kung gusto mo ng wala. Pero kapag mas maganda kung may lining ang damit. Pero kasi sa drag, hindi ko kasi kailangan sometimes ng may lining. Why? Because I have undergarments. Like, I have undergarments. I have layers of stockings. I have layers of dance panty. I have a corset. I have a bodysuit with boning. I have marami. Marami, be. So, marami akong costume na walang lining. Pero syempre, kung ikaw ay ininegosyo mo siya, at ikaw talaga like for daily use, kailangan may lining. Kasi, syempre, di ba? Brat panty ka lang naman. So, kailangan may lining ka, be. At saka yung lining, depende naman talaga sa'yo yun. Kung makapal naman na yung tela, bakit pa kailangan ng lining? Kung di naman makati, di ba? Kung maayos naman pagkakatahi mo sa likod, sa loob. Ganun. Pagaling ka po. Lumayas ka dito, be. Papansin ka. Ano pinagsabi mong pagaling ka? Ulit-ulit. Ati Tours, masisinge pa rin ba kahit plastic ang boning? Oo, B. Oo. You will realize is that pag nagpagawa ka ng mga corset, most of the time, they do plastic boning. Unless you requested for a steel bone. Kasi ang basic talaga na ginagamit ay plastic boning. Unless you requested a steel boning. Kasi mas mapapamahal ka. Pero kung nagpapagawa ka ng corset, like for example, Job Dacon, who else? Sino pa ba mga gumagawa? Si Job lang kasi, kay Job pala ako napapagawa eh. Normally, Job will use plastic boning unless you requested for a steel boning. Because they different pricing. Paano po ba yung pag-pattern, cut, and attach ng lining? Darling, parang that's something na kailangan mo na lang panoorin. Oo, hindi ko siya may explain sa'yo lahat. Watch ka na lang, be. Dami sa YouTube. 3 pa talaga yung gusto mong tinanong mo. Pattern, cut, and attach ng line. Wow. Teacher mo ko? Hello, Dale. Alam kita, Dale. Thank you sa gift, Clark. Wait, Clark? Is this the same Clark na dati kong viewer? Is it? Clark? Is this the same Clark na viewer ko last year? Hello! It's been a while. May pagdidikit ng kilay, ilang patong po ba? Depende sa balat mo kung ikaw ay pawisin. Kapag pawisin ka, 3 beses mo siya ulitin. Kung hindi ka naman pawisin o hindi mo naman kailangan magpawis, parang 2 laban na. At saka depende rin sa kilay mo. May mga kilay na sobrang stubborn. Yung may mga kilay na papansin talaga may naiiwan na isang ayaw. Ayoko eh. Ididikit mo ako sa balat. Ayoko. Not today to ring. Mga ganon. So, kailangan mo talaga minsan 3-4 layers. Ganon. Pero minsan naman nakikisama sila. So, like, girl, I have a show. Pwede bang dikit ka muna ng matino? Fine. Tapos didikit siya maayos. Naglalagay po ako now. Bebe, kung ikaw ay magpipicture-picture lang naman after you do your makeup and you're not gonna do a show, 2 is enough. Just enough to lay it flat. If you're gonna do a show, pagpapawisan ka ng hard, 3. Sayang ang glue stick, be. Sayang. 2 lang kung magpipicture ka lang naman after this. OMG, Ate Tours, nakaka-excite tuloy. Bakit ka na-excite? Anong meron, Cody? Thank you sa follow. Ang sexy niya na po. Ito lang naman yung nakikita mo ngayon eh. Pero thank you. Patugtog tayo ulit. Magaganda yung mga tanungan natin ngayon, no? In fairness, gusto ko yung mga ganyang mga tanong. Hindi yung... Minsan talaga may mga live stream talaga. Well, marami akong live stream na ganito. Maraming gabi na magaganda talaga ang usapan sa live ko. Kaya gabi ako nagjo-join eh. Gabi naman ako lagi nagla-live eh. Last week lang naman ako naghapon. Or for the past 2 days lang naman. What is your fitness secret? I do not have a fitness secret. I just have a walk pad here and I have dumbbells. That's it. There's nothing else. I just do cardio and I lift. That's it. And I do walking. During lip sync, cutted na po ba talaga yung songs or... Marky, that's something na hindi mo na dapat malaman, be. Oo. Pangit yung ganyan tanong. Huwag masyadong puro drag. Ito naman, maganda na nga yung tanungan eh. Bumalik ka na naman sa mga production na... Alam mo be, yung mga ganyan, dapat hindi mo na inaalam yan. Alam kung bakit? Kasi pag sa sobrang dami mong alam na information about the production, pag nanood ka na ng Drag Race Philippines, yung next season, mawawala na yung magic sa'yo. The magic will never be the same. Kasi hindi mo na ma-absorb yung fantasy of the show, the spectacle. Kasi nagiging technical ka na. Marami ka na masyadong alam sa production na alam ko na ganyan, agad na ganyan. Nawawala na yung magic. Just leave it to the imagination. Kapag production thing, okay na dapat na wala kang alam. Mas magandang promise, mas maganda na the lesser you know about production stuff, the better. Because the more magic it will affect you once you watch an episode. Lalo na yung mga spoiler na yan, nasisira yung magic kasi alam mo na yung mangyayari. It may be true or not, yung mga napanood, yung mga nakikita yung spoilers online, totoo man yun o hindi, the fact na meron ka ng idea sa kung ano yung possible outcome or possible thing that will happen during an episode, you lose the magic of the episode. You lose the magic. You deprive yourself from enjoying the episode. Kumbaga, sinira mo yung magic nung episode sa utak mo kasi may alam ka na. Kasi mahilig kang maghanap ng spoilers, may alam ka na sa production. Ganun yun, be. Just enjoy the episode as it airs. The magic. You will love the magic of the show. As it unfolds. Ganun. And then, kung talagang hindi ka talaga mapakali, after mo nalang panoorin yung episode, then you look for some spoilers of what happened on the prior episode. Hindi yung future episode. Kung hindi mo talaga kaya, nang wala ka talagang nalalaman sa production or sa behind the scenes. Ganon. O gusto mo talaga ng mas marami pang tsaa, more than untalk, beyond untalk. Go ahead, but after you watch the episode. Ganun yun. Para hindi masayang o hindi masira yung magic ng panonood ng show. Lalo na kung ikaw nagbabayad ka ng subscription, ay be. Nakakasira yun. Promise. Lalo pa ngayon, June, naranasan ko na, mga be, totoo yung nagtaas ng tax, yung mga kasi nag-notif na sa GCash ko na nagbawas na yung Google sa akin ng subscription ko ng, tawag dito, ng additional storage. Hala, 211 na. Hindi na siya 159 or 169. 211 na, be, like, okay. Yung Netflix na susunod. Diba? Isipin mo, nagbabayad ka, magkano lang idadagdag kung nagbabayad ka ng $299, magkano ba ang Wow Presents Plus na yung subscription? Nagbabayad ka buwan-buwan ng subscription, tapos i-spoil ka lang na kung ano mangyayari. Mapapaganong ka talaga, be. Alam mo yon. enjoy the episode as it airs. Okay lang yun na may naririnig ka, hindi mo maiwasan as you scroll on social media about different episodes, but do not dive into it. Wag ka nang, kumbaga wag mo nang pag nakita mo face front, okay na yan, okay, di scroll up ulit. Hindi yung click mo pa, tas maghahanap ka pa ng comment, tas lilipat, alam mo yon. Para ma-enjoy mo yung magic ng show. Me when start ng first episode. Ano yan, be? Ano yung pinagsabi mo? We see it. Let's play this one. I missed it, listening to this. I felt the slam on a break before I even turned the key. Before I made... Ano ba yun, Ate Tools? Palaka, hindi mo naririnig. Palaka, B. Hindi niyo ba narinig yung palaka? Patayin nga natin yung electric fan. They were having like a full-on conversation. Maganda yung chika ng sa baba. Kung ano man yung pinag-uusapan nila, maganda-ganda yung chismis dun sa baba. Feeling ko nandun yung spoilers. Sila yung tanungin nyo. Marami sila. Feeling ko sa kanila. Mga naghahanap dyan ng spoilers, tsaka yung production, parang sila nakakaalam, swear. Parang may feeling ko nga pinag-uusapan din sila, Mark. I feel ko rin, parang maganda-ganda ang usapan dun eh. Feel ko rin. Out of the sun if you keep getting burned. Step out of the sun because you've learned. On the outside, always looking in, will I ever be more than I've always been? Cause I'm tapping on the glass. I'm waving through a window, I try to speak but nobody can hear. So I wait around for an answer to appear while I watching people pass. I'm waving through a window. Can di ko makuha. Is anybody back at me? Before the sun in our eyes, doesn't rise. Step out of the sun if you keep getting burned. Step out of the sun because you've learned. On the outside, always looking in. Will I ever be more than I've always been? Cause I'm tapping on the glass. I'm waving through a window. try to speak but nobody... Wait lang, kulit ko yung... Wait around. Ready na ba kayo? Ano to? Go live for 40 minutes, 38 out of 40. What's this? Oh. Team up to connect. Is anybody waving when you're falling in the forest? There's nobody around. Do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling on the forest, there's nobody around. Do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling on the forest, there's nobody around. Do you ever really crash or even make a sound? When you're falling on the forest and there's nobody... Ano tong gain 5 heart me gifts? Kasi may nakalagay, I know, 48 out of 50. Will I ever make a sound? Heart me? Anong heart me? Ay, yung may ganito dito? I try to speak but nobody can hear, so I wait around for an answer to appear while I watch. Hindi ko nga alam eh, may nakalagay lang na notif sa board ko na 2 out of 3, tapos 1 out of 3, ano yun? Back at me. Is anybody waving? Waving, waving. Oh, oh. Ay, I love Ben Platt. Ganda talaga ng boses ni Ben Platt. Pinagpala talaga si Bading. Parang sendan nyo nga ako ng dalawang Heart Me. Ano tong 48 out of 50? In the morning sun, I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And 3 of the creators team members completed the comment mission. 2 out of 3. Ano yan? Ayun 38 out of 40 Heart Me na yung na-receive ko. So, parang kailangan ko pa ng dalawang Heart Me. Sino ba dyan? Bagsak nga kayo ng Heart Me. And it's me you need to show how deep is your love. Tours. Hello, Kyla De Vera. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. I love this song. You're the light in my deepest, darkest hour. Yeah. You're my savior when I fall. Cherry follow. Thank you. When you know deep down inside, I really do. And it's me you need to. Hindi ko abot yun. Thank you sa follow. A fool breaking us. May pansinin mo naman na kiss. Ito nga eh. Babasahin ko pa lang, di ba? How deep is your love? Hala, gising pa si mother. Bakit ba? Oh, fools breaking us down.
Say it one more time, y'all help us.
12:53. Sige. Bukas na lang tayo Plano ko kasi mag-ASMR today, guys. Pero bukas na lang, mag-end ako ng 1. Bukas na lang tayo, bukas na lang tayo mag-ASMR.
One more time for Yellow.
Nandis nyo tong ASMR ko, bukas na lang yan. Kung hindi mo pa na-experience ang ASMR ko, abangan ko po yan, go. Ito maganda tong kantang to. Wait lang. Nakwento ko na to sa ano dyan. Wow, nag-level up ang mic. Dati Boya mic lang. Hoy, mas mahal nga ang Boya mic kaysa dyan Malupit ASMR dyan, legit. Tawag dito, sa mga hindi pa nakaka-discover ng song na to, meron ko sa inyo, kung gusto mo lang naman, there's this song that I would love for you to listen. I will recommend for you. It's called Grow As We Go. It's by Bem Platt. Grow as we go. Ulit. Grow as we go. By Ben Platt. Meron silang duet din ni Sara Bareilles, pero mas maganda yung kanya munang version. So, itong kanta na to, this song, it talks about sa relasyon. So, kung gusto mo lang naman medyo magkaroon ng panibagong idea when it comes to love and it comes to relationship, the song talks about na, 'di ba, kapag sa mga grow as sa mga relasyon. 'Di ba sa mga relasyon kapag naghihiwalay na, 'di ba, it's not you, it's me. Kailangan kong mag-grow. Feeling ko kasi hindi na ako nag-grow. Kailangan ko muna ng time sa sarili ko. Magalinyahan, di ba, be? Ngayon, itong kanta na to, actually, binago rin niya kasi yung perspective ko tungkol sa ganyang usapan Sabi sa kantang to, may mga tao pala dyan out there, there are people out there na willing sila. They are willing to join you. They are willing to be with you in order for you to grow. Like, paano ba? Kumbaga, the person who is singing, sinasabi niya na, hindi mo naman kailangan umalis Kung gusto mo mag-grow, dito ka sa tabi ko, mag-grow ka sa tabi ko. If you're here, sige, le-level ako. Kung nandyan ka, sige, I will lift you up. You don't have to do it alone. Let me help you. Like, girl. Sobra. Tas, siya the way, kasi baka isipin nyo na, ano ba yan, masyado namang mapanakal, ayaw bitawan, pero hindi. Ang sinasabi lang niya dito is, willing ako mag-adjust for you. You don't ever have to leave. If the change is what you need, you can change right next to me. If you're high, I'll take the low. You can ebb and, you can ebb and I will flow. You can ebb and I will flow. We can take the slow as long as we grow as we go. Parang ganon. Kung papakinggan nyo siya, be, maganda yung may lyrics ka na naka-ready. Spotify ka, be. Mauuga ka talaga na, hala. Ganda, be. Sige, anuhin natin. I-DJ ko sa inyo, be. Good. Ulit. 12:58. Okay. Good morning, everyone. 12:58 ng umaga. Ikaw ba ay naghahanap ng kanta para mabagong perspective mo? Here's Grow As We Go. You need to go and find yourself. You say you'd rather be alone, 'cause you think you won't find it tied to someone else. Listen to some. That it only happens on your own. They don't know me and I don't think you have to leave. If to change is what you need, you can change right next to me. When you're high, I'll take the lows. You can ebb and I can flow, and we'll take it slow and grow as we grow as we go. Tapos yung second verse, perspective niya. You won't be the only one. I am unfinished, I got so much left to learn. I don't know how this river runs, but I'd like the company through every twist and turn. Ooh, say it's true that the growing only happens on your own. They don't know me and you don't ever have to leave. If to change is what you need, you can change right next to me. When you're high, I'll take the lows. You can ebb and I can flow, and we'll take it slow and grow as we go. Grow as we go. Hello. Kompleto naman yung pangalan. Warren Dave Tisono Aguli. That we grew out together. Tell me you don't wanna leave, 'cause it changes what you need. You can change right next to me. When you're high, I'll take the lows. You can ebb and I can flow. We'll take it slow and grow as we go. Grow as we go. Grow as we go. There you have it. That is Grow As We Go by Ben Platt. May duet version din niya with Xavier Bareilles. Oras natin ngayon, 1:02 ng umaga. Oras, hatid sa inyo ng Nerd Alien. Malapit nang maubos. Wala na akong stock. Diba? Ang ganda ng song. Girl, kung hindi mo pa siya napakinggan, listen to the song. It's so good. Anyway, tutulo pa yung tubig. Anyway, you guys, it's already 1. So, Pakinggan with lyrics. Yes, pakinggan nyo siya with lyrics. I-ready nyo yung lyrics, okay? Tapos, ebb and flow. Baka hindi nyo alam ibig sabihin yun, ha? Okay? Baka isipin nyo, iba yung anong ebb, ebak? Ebb and flow. Daloy at agos, okay? Ha, mga be? Mga be, ha? Okay. I-ready with lyrics. Para, di ba? Magandang live natin tonight, na. Puro puro mga dagdag perspective, like broaden our perspective. Happy to share the wisdom, happy to share the knowledge, everyone. Bukas na tayo mag-ASMR, ha? Bukas na lang tayo mag-ASMR. Tapos probably I'm gonna, I don't know, I'm probably gonna show on live tomorrow. I mean later. Yeah, umpisa ko na yung project mamaya. Okay, anyway, good night everyone. See you next live. Bye!